Hey there, welcome to Tool Zone, your go-to spot for truly satisfying craftsmanship. Today we've gathered an epic selection of clips where skilled pros execute each task with absolute mastery. Every movement is calculated, every detail flawless. Let's dive into these perfect moments together. Genuine masterpieces are created outdoors, right before your eyes. A single misstep and the sculptor is back to the drawing board, only to craft an entirely new set of imaginative vessels. Sometimes, mistakes are just disguised creative sparks. One roofer, one nail gun, and the job's done in no time. It's impressive to see such efficiency and craftsmanship come together so smoothly. They say you can stare endlessly at fire and someone else working, and I get it. There's something calming and meaningful about watching skilled hands in action. Car lovers could watch this on repeat. It's that satisfying. When professionals with the right gear take care of your lawn, it transforms into a piece of landscape art. Perfectly trimmed grass, crisp hedge lines, your yard becomes the envy of the neighborhood, shining with polished perfection. There's something oddly satisfying about watching other people work. It's strangely calming, especially when you're doing absolutely nothing while they get the job done. When a gifted artist gets tired of canvas, they grab paint and turn any ordinary door into a masterpiece. Suddenly, what was once just an entrance becomes a bold artistic expression that's impossible to overlook. Watching this craftsman at work is like witnessing a live magic act. You just can't look away. Amazing! This dish is not only cooked to perfection, but also rolled up so neatly. It's a work of culinary art. You'd want to taste it just to savor all the detail and flavor. When this tracked beast with a bucket kicks into gear, buildings don't stand a chance. Bricks, beams, walls, all come crashing down in seconds. It's like this machine was a heavyweight boxer in a past life, and now it's perfecting the art of the knockout. I'm willing to bet you've never imagined what you can do with ordinary nails, but trust me, the end result is mind-blowing. Stick around until the end and you'll witness something truly magical. This store is always prepped to greet customers looking its absolute best. Balance, cold calculation, and apparently zero fear. How else do you explain people riding a cable over a canyon? On some kind of stunt bike? Madness, maybe. Or just next level skill. Just look how beautifully you can create tasty art right on a drink's foam. Pre-sale car prep in action. Not wrecked, not repainted, just touched up a little. Installing basic flooring is straightforward, but when it comes to intricate patterns and special shapes, it becomes a test of both art and engineering. Only a true master can pull it off flawlessly. Heads up, this video is seriously addictive to watch. One thing's for sure, I definitely wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of that needle. Applying liquid wallpaper is simple, but it takes some practice to get it just right. Perfect slicing means every single piece looks laser cut. Humans can't quite pull that off, but high precision machines do it flawlessly, like surgeons who never miss a beat. Turbines and specialized attachments are used to polish a machine part to a mirror-like shine. The fence and paving stones are cleaned using a high-pressure water jet. Say what you will, but this method of cleaning metal is probably something you've never seen before. It's next level stuff, a true showcase of what modern machines can do. Picking berries is wet, tiring work, but these folks aren't holding back. Let's give them a thumbs up for the hustle. At first it looks like he's just splashing around in muddy water, but stick around, there's purpose behind every step and the result is worth the mess. Nothing compares to the beauty of a girl surrounded by flowers. The top contender for Mirror Cleaning Champion of the Year, spotless results. You can really sense the guy's pride and satisfaction as he works beside the tree. This embroidery machine adds charm to every butterfly it stitches, transforming plain fabric into a tiny piece of textile art with vibrant detail and personality. Turns out, even the roughest, most uneven corners can be transformed into flawless ones with minimal effort. With the right technique and a clever hack, even the most awkward edges can end up looking showroom perfect. For seasoned pros, applying plaster is as effortless as spreading butter on toast. Let's be honest, who could resist freshly baked pastries, still warm and full of aroma? This video is pure deliciousness.